All right, it's almost time for Evening DPC, which is the daily planning conference. We have two of these a day, once in the morning, once in the evening. The crew gathers and we talk to flight control teams around the world. By tradition, the ISS commander kicks it off. So tonight, Sergei Prokopiev will kick off the conference on Space to Ground 1, and then Houston will take over and we'll see if they have anything to tell us this evening.
Houston, how's it okay? Cuba, Moscow, Expedition 69 is ready for the evening DPC. Good evening.
Good evening, Expedition 69. A fresh plan for tomorrow is on board, but please do expect a few more changes overnight. And we do have a few additional topics from Houston when you're ready.
Hey, Jay. Hey, Jay, good evening. We are ready.
I wish I could take credit for Jay. This is Justin. We swapped up for today, but first topic up for Steve and the reported headset with a broken switch. We're curious where you ended up stowing it.
It is above the MWA.
Starboard side.
And it's above the MWA starboard side. It has a label on it asking people to look at the indication on the ATU to make sure they're in the right position. I was able to get to each of
you tie?
Yeah, I loosened it.
Okay, we copy. Thank you.
Either way you turn it.
Also for you, Steve, and your crew notes on the PAM Photo TV stow, we will schedule an activity for you tomorrow to stow this in the PMM Starboard 4 location, as it will not be needed again until PAM 3.
All right, thank you very much.
All right, next up for Woody and the PFS mesh bag that we talked about earlier. That should be temp stowed at PMM Starboard 4 rack front still. We'd like to confirm that it is just the mesh bag that is stowed there and not a CTV that contains the mesh bag. And that mesh bag can stay there on the rack front until its next use a couple of months from now.
Okay, we copy. Actually, it is still in that 2.0 CTV, but we can get it out, so it'll just be the mesh bag, and I will do that right after DPC.
All right, good plan. Thank you. And last up for Woody and your crew note on the SSC deroute this morning, we're putting together a task list activity to do an audit and would like to confirm that the final location of the items you mentioned in the crew note, and if they ended up in Node 2 Starboard 6.
Negative. That SSC was redeployed to Node 2, I think it's port 3 or 4, and the other items, the power cables and Ethernet cables, are just temp stowed for now.
Can we confirm they are temp stowed in the same location around port 3 or port 4 area?
Affirm.
Big copy. That is all we have from Houston. Do you all have anything for us?
Hey, Justin, nothing further. Was wondering though, SSC 7, can we move that back from the CASA to Node 2?
You can go ahead and move that back.
Okay, thanks so much. Otherwise, nothing further from the crew. Thanks so much for the help today.
And thank you all. It was a busy day. It was great to work with you. Huntsville, Munich, and Scuba are standing by with no topics, and I will hand you over to Sergei Moscow.
Okay, sounds great. Huntsville, Munich,
I don't remember exactly where.
Good evening, and thank you so much for the support
forward
today.
5 or 6.
Moskvy, добрый вечер.
Left of LSG.
Thank you, Frank.